Iring nako.
Good morning, friends and family. This is your favorite vlogger, Fancy Say Hi. Fancy say hi to our community now. I guess someone is not in the mood this morning.
Breakfast at Tiffany's and bottles of bubbles. Girls with tattoos who like getting in trouble. Lashes and diamonds, ATM machines. I myself all of my favorite things. Been through some bad, but I should be a savage. Who would've thought it turned me to a savage? Rather be tied up with calls and my strings.
Morning, Monza, friends and family. If it is your first time here, welcome. My name is Mr. Greatness. Please take this moment to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're a returning Sabi, a regular Zahila, thank you so much, my love, for your continued support. I really appreciate it. Welcome to a brand new day in my life. Today, we don't really have much to do. We just need to go shopping. We are going shopping, but we are not going to splurge. We're just gonna go do some grocery top-up shopping. Yeah, that's what I need to do today, and we'll see where the day goes or leads us. Okay, so yeah, today I woke up and my moods were not mooding, but it's okay because this is the day that the Lord has made, and we shall be glad and rejoice in it. Okay, so yeah, let me quickly get ready because the time right now is like 10-ish, 10:30. So let's go.
I guess we can all agree that Fancy Greatness is not a morning Monza person, but at least she was kind enough to let us accompany her to the shopping center.
Guys, I am so tired. The time right now, it's currently 7 p.m. and we just came back from the baby shower, so I'm going home. We just finished at the baby shower, so I'm going home. Oh, I can't wait. Danko. Enja. Asukiwi.
Asukiwi linako tena.
Oh, banya ko pila boot.
A week later.
Morning, Monza, guys. Zini. Morning. Like, yo. The last time I sat down to update you, I was coming back from the baby shower. Do y'all guys remember that? So, a week later, Friday, which was last week Friday, my friend called me up. Kare hello, are oko kae Miguel, kare ke mo ntlong ke ra washing. Are no, let's grab a quick lunch and catch up. It ended up being a venting session, which was very much needed, but I'm not complaining because, girl, sisterhood means free therapy, guys. Sisterhood, it means free therapy. It means free therapy. Anyways, yeah, that was what I got up to in the previous days, which I didn't update you on because I was just, yeah, it was just b-roll. But today it is maintenance day. Today and tomorrow, actually, it is maintenance day. As you can see, in Tombi, crusty ngathi anginabazali and bakhona, and they are very responsible. Like, yo. So today I'm gonna get my nails done. I'm gonna do my lashes because, mind you, I haven't done my lashes in a year. Like, yeah. So today, that is what's up. I'm going to get my lashes done and my nails done. I'm not doing my toes because winter. I know people are gonna come for me, but guys, winter, and majority of my time, I mean, socks, boots, snags, Uggs. So and like maybe I'll do them, but actually confirm me. So nails, lashes, hair. My hair, don't judge me. One judge. Subscribe. But anyway, my hair, I'm gonna do it tomorrow. My appointment for my hair is for tomorrow. So now let's go to the salon because I need to soak off. Yeah, I need to soak off, and I need to do my lashes and my nails. And one thing about my nails, heck, I know she's gonna she's gonna eat, okay? One thing about Refilwe, she will eat me down. So yeah, that's what's up today. And tomorrow I'm gonna go do my hair and call it a day. My appointment is for 11:30 because I have a lot to do. But the time right now, the time right now is 9:30, and guess who's early? Me. And guess what I'm gonna do? Have breakfast, and yeah, have breakfast and then request kuningi, and Thursday I have training. Yo, ay, sana, swima. Kile ngwana o good. Kile ngwana o well behaved. Ika media ko in. Oh no muchega. How no lata ko kinde. Sentse le jola. Ako tsane o. Kontraka eo isiras. Neletabani tsegeng. Kwena. Kanisa lona mashimane. Dilabele kabanti tsegeng. Ke le loyal ya. O loyal. Ya no le cabanetseng a mo betsi a ha wa itse dipili e tshwana le wena wa dula mo le tenta wa do ke tsala tsho o ya ka ke le le moanya na wa ka dula mo tante dula mo ba tante o ba tante o ba do mo lo ba do ka ka tante itulela mo ba tlang go dula teng.
Don't know when my nights became so complicated. Can't recall my mornings ever been as faded. Maybe this is karma, definition of jaded. This stays on my mind. this stays on my mind. Trying to put a muzzle on my crazy feelings. One minute I'm cold and then the next I'm tripping. No, when somebody new, I swear she don't deserve it. Oh, it's still on my mind.
I'm back, guys, and at least a little bit of order has been restored. My nails are done, lashes per. I feel like a brand new person. But I am so hungry. Like, I am literally so hungry. Like, I'm not even exaggerating. Like, my level of hunger right now is causing me to be angry. Like, yo, ke tshwere ke tlala, guys. Ke tshwere ke tlala. But I'm warming up some food. My lashes, I think we went for a 14. Yeah, for a 14. And these are my nails. Yeah. So let me eat and I'll catch up with you tomorrow when I go and do my hair. I'm not even sure that I'm gonna go and do my hair because unfortunately we received some bad news today, and yeah, we received some bad news today, but yeah, I'm still processing it. But yeah, so I don't know if tomorrow I'm gonna be able to go and do my hair or kanjan, but hopefully I'll be able to go. If not, I'll have to reschedule. So yeah, anyway, let me go and eat. I'll catch up with you probably tomorrow, because today I'm done. Pay and Dabayam. Morning Monza, my beautiful loves. Today it is a Working Wednesday, and as per our conversation from yesterday, I was supposed to go and get my hair done today, but I ended up rescheduling because I don't feel so well. As you can see, my eye is acting up, and today is one of those days where I'm just like, I want to be indoors. I just want to watch TV. Like, I just want to eat, sleep. I don't want to do anything. So I canceled my hair appointment. I'm not going to be getting my hair done in this vlog. I think I will get it done next week, which will be in another vlog. So I'm coming here now to end of the vlog. I'm watching Because We Said So. It is a podcast by ZX Online, my fave, and Lindsay Gama. So I'm watching that, and I'm also editing this vlog so that tomorrow it can be up. Tomorrow is Thursday, it can be up. So that is what's up today. So yeah, my eye, guys. My eye. It is, I don't know if you can see it, but ibuhlungu. It feels dry. Like, I asked my mom to get me eye drops, so hopefully when she comes back I'll be able to use them, and tomorrow I'll be better. But as for today, my eye is showing me flames. So yeah, anyway, thank you so much for watching this vlog till this far. I love and appreciate you so much. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. And yeah, please share with your friends and families. I'll see you in my next video. Love you loads. Mwah. Bye.